What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload high quality photo and video on Instagram. So let's get started. What you have to do first, you have to open up the Instagram. So after opening Instagram, you have to go to your profile. So I'm going to show you that how you can upload high quality photo or video on Instagram. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video. So after going to profile, I'm gonna add a photo or video on my Instagram. I'm going to add this video here. Okay, after selecting the
What's up,
video
guys?
that
In
you
this video,
wanna upload on Instagram, you have to click on next. So after clicking on next, here is the tricky option guys. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after writing your description and tagging the people and doing all the stuffs here, what you need to do, you have to click on more option in the last option here. After going to more option, what you have to do, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to make sure this option is turned on. Okay, this is the important thing guys. Upload at highest quality, you have to make sure this option is turned on. So if this option is turned on, your video or photos will be uploaded in high quality. I hope you guys find this video helpful guys. Please make sure you subscribe my channel and like this video and follow me for more video like this. Peace.